So for the next 2 weeks, a multi-billion-dollar legal fight will play out over control of the state health plan. The outcome will affect health insurance for more than 700,000 North Carolina teachers, state workers, and their families. WRAL state government reporter Will Doran here with us now. You were inside the courtroom for the beginning of this trial, opening argument. So Will, tell us what's at stake.
There's a lot at stake here, Lena, and it's not just for state employees. Obviously, that is the main focus of this, but there's billions of dollars on the line for the insurance companies that are at the center of this dispute. Blue Cross and Blue Shield has managed the state health plan for 43 years, but last year the state voted to give it to Aetna instead. Now, Blue Cross is fighting that decision. That's why we're here. And of course, for all of us taxpayers, there's also the question of whether those billions of dollars are being spent in the smartest way possible.
And we talked about this is affecting so many people. As you said, the main focus is on the teachers, state troopers, anyone else who gets their insurance through the state. So how will this affect them?
So there are two main issues here. You've got cost and you have access. And Blue Cross says that the state is going to be paying millions of dollars more if it switches the contract. So the question, will that cause premiums to rise? I asked State Treasurer Dale Falwell about that. He said he's not concerned, but it is still too early, obviously, to know for sure. And then there's the issue of access. There are concerns over particularly rural state workers, if they might lose access to their doctors if this goes through. That's an issue that this trial is going to look into.
So what happens next? When will this be decided?
So this trial is supposed to take about 2 weeks. Now, whoever wins or loses, it's probably going to get appealed no matter what. So it could be a while until we know for sure. This is supposed to start next year in 2025, but will that happen on time or at all? We're just gonna have to wait and see.
Regardless, this is a massive change for so many people in our state. So I know you'll stay on top of it. Will, thanks so much. For more coverage of this important legal fight, you can go to the NC Capitol section of WRAL.com.